Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azael here. We're still here in SM North EDSA, the annex, no? At nakita natin ito, meron silang Raptor store dito. The first Raptor, siguro ito rin the first Raptor here in the country, no? So let's check it out, yo. Let's do a store tour, no? Let's do this. And this is the Raptor store here in SM North EDSA, the annex. So pasok tayo, let's check it out, yo. And they're having a 99 mega sale hanggang end of September, 30% off. So check it out, yo. Dati kanila mga display ng mga Raptor products. Ito si Aldrich flexing his bagong Raptor. Ito, meron akong ganito, very useful to pagka may travel kami or camping. Diyan ko nilalagay yung mga pagkain, mga gamit, tsaka also gadgets kasi meron silang small version. Nagtaka ako ginawa nila ng table to, no? So kaya nila nakuha tong kahoy na to. At ito yung one of the products here sa Raptor. They also have tumblers and also containers, yung mga casing, a waterproof casing for your gadgets and cameras. Ayan. And this Raptor containers is meron siyang gulong. Ayan. Very transportable to. Tutulak mo lang. All of your items are safe at easy to move. And for the bigger ones, meron din sila. And also, pang cooler siya. This is a Raptor cooler. Ayan. Meron siya ditong parang butas para i-drain yung tubig. All of your beverage will be cooled. For the smaller casing, meron din sila. Ayan, Raptor. Usually, iba nilalagay nila yung mga cameras or drones. And here's one of the example ng mga Raptor casing na pwede nyo ilagay yung inyong mga pang-airsoft na weapons dito. And ito yung kanilang bagong tumbler, the Raptor Fusion. It's a 2-in-1 tumbler. So may tumbler ka na, meron ka pang baso dito. And for bigger Raptor, meron din sila. Mga smaller version na parang pang toolbox, meron din sila. Yung mga pang bigger gadgets, meron din sila. And here's the ultimate feature for today, the Raptor backpack. Wala pang pricing but this is very, very interesting. Ganda nito, grabe. So yun, sapat na natin to. Kasyang-kasya. So that's it. Visit Raptor here sa SM North EDSA Annex to check out the items, yung mga waterproof casing nila, yung mga hard casing nila for your lifestyle, outdoor, and gadgets nila. Also check out the backpack. Ganda. Alright, kita-kits sa next video.